Keselowski way up the racetrack. Briscoe on the outside, 3 wide. His championship hopes starting to falter.
As Briscoe falls back through the field, though, that's another spot for Denny potentially. You see Denny right there.
You gotta have a spot first. So
they're tied again. The tiebreaker goes to Chastain. Coming up on 2 to go.
Denny knocks the 24 up the racetrack.
Chastain doesn't have anybody in front of him to go past.
Bell out of turn 4. He's gonna do it. He's won his way into the championship.
Let's go get us a championship.
And the fight for the point. Take a look at what he did.
I have never seen anything like that before in my life.
Wide open around the wall in 3 and 4 at Martinsville. Unbelievable.
Oh my goodness. He's not going to tell you.
Dylan, of making the championship for Christopher Bell in a must-win. He delivers.